Attention. Stop whatever you are doing and look at your office chair. One last time. Because by the end of 2026, it might be empty forever. The great AI job massacre has officially begun while you were sleeping. Silicon Valley unleashed a silent assassin that doesn't need a salary, doesn't take vacations, and never sleeps. This is not a distant science fiction movie. This is the present-day execution of the middle class. Today, on Capitology Labs, we are pulling back the curtain on the code of replacement. In the next few minutes, we will reveal the reality of the secret list of 50 professions marked for immediate deletion. We will explain why your expensive college degree is now just a worthless piece of paper. We will expose the terrifying universal basic income trap, designed to make you a permanent slave of the state. And most importantly, we will share the only human skill that AI can never steal. Your only chance to survive the 2026 meltdown. For decades, we were told that machines would only replace manual labor. We thought the factory workers were the only ones at risk. We were wrong. The new AI doesn't just move boxes. It writes code, it creates art, it analyzes legal documents, and it makes medical diagnoses faster than any human doctor. Think about your daily tasks. If your job involves sitting in front of a computer, typing, or talking, you are already on the list. Why is 2026 the deadline? Because that is the year the computing power of affordable AI will surpass the processing speed of the human brain. Major corporations have already started quiet firing. They are replacing entire departments with algorithms, while the media keeps you distracted with political drama. But the most dangerous part isn't just losing your job. It's what comes next. The elites are preparing the great handout. Universal basic income. They will offer you free money to stay quiet, but there is a catch. This money will be digital, programmable, and conditional. If you don't follow their rules, your access to survival will be deleted with a single click. Is there any hope? Yes, but it's not in learning a new software. The only way to survive the 2026 massacre is to master human-centric creativity. Skills that require empathy, complex ethics, and physical presence. Things that a digital ghost cannot replicate. History is being rewritten as we speak. The middle class, as we know it, is dying. Will you be a victim of the algorithm, or will you be the one who knows how to control it? We have already identified the 50 specific jobs that will disappear first. But that is a deep list that requires a detailed breakdown. If you want to know if your profession is on that list, comment part 2 below. If we get enough interest, we will release the full list in our next video. Subscribe to Capitology Labs. We don't just report the news. We give you the data to survive the future. Your clock is ticking. Don't let it run out.